In this video, I'm going to show you how to use an old VoiceThread in a new Moodle course. This is called sharing the VoiceThread. This has to be done every time that you teach a new course that you have a VoiceThread in. You have to share it with your new course. So I'm logged in as Miss Sandy, and I'm in her 2019 Spring Design 1 class. So as I scroll down, you can see that here's her introduction VoiceThread. And so the first thing that you need to do in your new class is to click on that VoiceThread, and what that does is establishes a link between Moodle, that particular Moodle class, and VoiceThread. So now on the setup screen, I'm just going to click up here in the address bar, take out the end of the URL, hit enter. This takes me to my VoiceThread homepage, and you'll see up here that this is my Moodle class. So Moodle, this is just groups. So these are old classes of Miss Sandy's. But here, this is the one I'm working in, Design 1, Spring 2019, and there's no VoiceThreads. And so that means that no VoiceThreads have been shared with that class. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into an old class, an old Design 1 class of Miss Sandy's to get the introduction VoiceThread. So I click here, and then here's that. Here's the VoiceThread that I'm wanting to share with the new class. So to share that, all I have to do is just click it and drag it to the correct group. It says drop on a group to share, so that's what I'm going to do. When I click this, you want to make sure and make a copy. Don't just share it, but copy and share. And then what that does basically makes a copy of that VoiceThread rather than just sharing that actual VoiceThread. I'm going to change this to 2019, and then in this, what comments would you like to keep? Include only my comments. That way you don't share the student's comments from your old class. Then click copy and share. So now when I go up here to my Spring 2019 class, there's that VoiceThread has been properly shared with the class. And so you'll see up here, this VoiceThread has been viewed 0 times, and there's no comments. And so I'm ready from this screen. I can see that this class has that VoiceThread, or this VoiceThread has been shared with this class / group. So I can close this out. Now when I'm back in my Moodle class, I click on this VoiceThread, and now I set up, now I'm going to click Assignment Builder. And then I want the students to submit a comment. And now you'll see that VoiceThread that I just copied and shared is at the top. Design 1 Intro Spring 2019. I select that. And then now I am ready to go. I can look at the settings if you want to go in and click Edit, and Playback Options if you want to go back and look at the settings and different things like that. And then you just hit save, and then you just go back and then create assignments. This moderate comments is if you want the comments to be private to each student, or that the students wouldn't see each other's comments, but I'm just going to leave it like this and click create. I'm going to untick this and then click create an assignment. And now I can close this out again, and now you'll see I'm going to refresh this screen, and when I click this, now it goes straight to that, or it goes to the intro screen, but now students can see that link, and then they're ready to go. So that's how you share an old VoiceThread with a new Moodle class.